Hi friends, this is Madhu from Money Bleeder. Today I wanted to discuss about one trade which I have done yesterday as per our friend's request. Before going into the trade, this is the standard disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Please do your own research before taking into any position. Coming to the trade, this was the Cummins Industries, which if you see this, right, last couple of days it was in the bearish trend. Okay, it was in the bearish trend. So that is the reason I would like to take the trade in this company. That's what I added to my watch list. Since the stock was in watch list, I am looking for the opportunity and I added into the watch list and I was observing. Okay, if you see this trade, right, this was the yesterday's candle. This was the yesterday's candle. My plan was like, okay, this green candle was, once this green candle low taking out, that means it may fall till this point. This is the big green candle. There will be a bias here. Okay, till this point. If this taken out, there is no support till this point. There is a probability of falling. That is the reason I would like to take the big trade in this company. That is what my trade plan. I was prepared already. So, and I was waiting for the opportunity. This is the future for the stock. Okay, in the first few minutes I went on the trade for the Adani ports. That is the reason I could not able to get the entry in this stock. So, and also first few minutes, right, it was in the sideways. It is not closed the previous day low. I am interested only when the stock closes previous day low. That is what I was waiting. It was huge consolidation. If we see here, it was the huge consolidation. This consolidation says that, okay, there will be a distribution followed by this this consolidation. That is the reason I was waiting to close below this. So once this closed below this, right, since we will be in the office work, all those things, I didn't get the opportunity. I was waiting for this, and sometimes what happens was, if we see the day, right, since here is the bullish candle, that is where I felt like there will be some trap may create. That is the reason I was waiting for the confirmation for the one more candle. Once the followed candle, right, after closing this day low, these candles are very small candles. I was waiting for the big move to take the position. Once the big candle I saw, I felt like, okay, below this candle I wanted to take the position so that my next target will be like 1100. That means future also may come close to the 1100 rupees. Okay, which is here. That is what my plan, and I planned for the big trade. Okay, so this is where what happened was the 1165. If we see here, this is where, okay, around 1160, right, 1160. Always the future price will be little higher. 1160. I was waiting. Once this breakout, I wanted to add one more lot, or I wanted to book the profit, or I wanted to have the margin of safety, moving the stop loss to this level. I was waiting. Okay, but all of a sudden, since this is having the wick, there is a probability of reversal also. That is where I mentally prepared for taking the small profit also in this trade. What I did was, okay, as I posted in the Telegram channel, if we see, right, this is the Telegram channel where I posted this this trade. Okay, my entry point was 1182. Okay, what is the 1182 here? The 1182 is this candle below. Okay, this candle below, if we see here, 1181, right, 82.35. Okay, my entry I got a round figure, that is 1182. Then my target was here somewhere. Okay, as per my stop loss, this was the question asked by one of the follower. My stop loss is always 1% of my capital, which is 10 lakhs. in the 10 lakh 1% is 10,000 rupees. That is the logical figure. I never keep the stop loss. I always keep in my mind that is the 10,000 rupees is my stop loss. But here in this trade, if this is taken out, there will be a very big move in the downside, since that was in the trend, downtrend. So there will be a big move. That's what I risked here. Okay, this is where I thought of having the stop loss, which is like 1195. Stop loss is the 1195, that is 15 points. Okay, below if it comes, right, more than 50 points is there, that means 1:3.5 risk reward I may get. That is the, I wanted to trial the stop loss. Okay, initial stop loss I always keep like 1% of my capital or previous high or whatever the important level it is breaking out. Okay, as per this trade 1195 is my stop loss. This is my entry taken. Okay, since it came here, that is 1165, almost I had like 82 to 62, it was 20 points, that means 18 points was there. Since lot size is 600, okay, it is around, I was seeing around 9 to 10,000 rupees profit. 9 to 10,000 rupees profit. I thought of booking. I thought of I thought like it may go down, still further go down. I wanted to trial. Okay, once this candle closes, I wanted to bring the stop loss to here, add one more lot. That is what my trading plan I had. And the moment I saw, since in the here, right, in the it was the big, if we see here, this is the green candle and it is a long wick, there will be a buyers, and this was the buyers zone. Actually, if we see, this is the buyers zone. So I felt like if buyers are not there, it may fall further. Okay, if the buyers are there, means there will be a probability of reversal. I prepared for both the things. The moment I saw this wick, in the below wick, okay, this green candle is forming, I decided to book the profit, because here buyers got activated. So there will be a chances of hitting the stop loss. That is where what I did was, the moment this green candle formed, right, okay, that is 1172. After forming the green candle, 1172 is my exit in this trade. 1172 is exit in this trade, and I booked around 10 points, which is 6,000 rupees is the profit. Okay, this is how the stop loss always. Because see, the future trade is always, it is like within few minutes it falls. We will not have the time to keep the proper stop loss in the right place, because this is on the fly we are doing the scalping. For the scalping, you cannot keep the stop loss. Until you keep the stop loss on the target, market will not give you the time. That is where you always fix the stop loss, which is 1% of your capital, or previous high or previous candle high, whichever lower, you can keep that in your mind and trade accordingly. Okay, this is what I always does the trade. Here also same I followed. Okay, my maximum capital was 10 lakh rupees, which is 10,000 is my stop loss. So that's all, friends, about this a trade. Thank you.